Hello guys, what we got here is a pretty clean looking mouse that I got from a local marketplace for a couple of dollars. I was surprised that it came in this condition. Today we're gonna have a tear down and clean Dell wireless laser mouse model WM326. First look at it is not used really frequently, not much scratches on the usual area. What I like about Dell mouse is most of them, the current ones, it comes with a magnetic cover, so it opens and closes quite easily. So this one comes with a dongle, a Dell dongle. Interesting thing is to open it, you need a Y-shaped screwdriver bit. There's 4 screws here. After removing all 3, the middle casing come off easily. Yeah, that's what we see, right? This mouse is not used much, not much grime on the middle case. A simple PCB from what I can see, and later on I'm going to go through a few different interesting things that I come across compared to the other mouse that I have dismantled and cleaned up. So there's 2 more Y-shaped screws that are securing the PCB to the bottom case, and these 2 side buttons just comes off. It's not secured or it's held together with this 2 latch. Interesting placement of these 2 buttons. So after trying it a bit, it doesn't feel as comfortable. So this cable that I'm removing, it connects the wheel, sending in information to the PCB. Okay, you won't be able to remove it first. Yeah, you need to remove the scroll wheel, which is attached just using a clip. Having a closer look, the sensor for the scroll wheel is built together. It's not soldered onto the board like the Logitech or Microsoft's. So from here you just need to pry it a bit and the whole board should come off easily. First time holding the board, it feels a bit funny. I'll touch on that later. So for the bottom case, some dust to be expected. So you can see from the top of the screen, the 2 sides of the board, right? It seems that this board is printed in a really big piece, and the technician who is handling this just snap it open. They are very rough sides. The side buttons are soldered on. It's not a true solder, so there's 4 soldering points on top. So replacing this, you need to have a very fine soldering iron. Then the left and right switch is made by TTC. This is the first time I'm seeing this. But looking at the dimension, it looks similar to the Omron's one. From the back, there's some residue from the solder. Some cleaning. This time around is really light, dusting off the dust, the center case, and then we should be going towards our assembly soon. There's this transparent strip, so I guess it's transmitting a light from the PCB board, maybe the operation light from the mouse. So later we have a look. So after applying IPA on the top case, I noticed that the material for this top case, there's some glitter in it. If they have done it more obvious, I guess you will attract younger users to buy it. The bottom case, after cleaning, right, it reveals a bit of a tacky texture, so I guess it's easier for the user to hold it. Now using a contact cleaner to clean the back case, scrubbing off the residue after the manufacturing process, some soldering flux still found on it. Off camera, I have used a hair dryer to dry up the front and back of the PCB, so to avoid any shortages, and also to a certain extent heat up the solder a bit. I'm wondering, for this wheel, if it's damaged, would it be easy to replace? Comments below if you have any experience on getting a spare part for this. So guys, if you like my video, do press the like button. To keep these videos coming, smash on the subscribe button. Replacing the PCB board, right, the bottom lid, there's a slot for it to sit in, and also pilot's hole to secure the PCB board. After which we'll be replacing the scroll wheel. It's a simple click and making sure the left and right button is functional. So next, I will secure the PCB board with the screws, then attach the cable. After using the product, right, the left and right button on the side case, right, the only purpose is while we are scrolling websites for you to do a backwards and forwards. So from the Dell application, you will not be able to remap it. For example, change it to copy or paste like my other mouse. So securing the 4 screws on the middle case, we are about completed. Lastly, the top shell magnetically attaches on. First of all, let us put in the battery, and the LED light should light up immediately. Pairing of the mouse is quite easy. The dongle allows you to pair up to 6 Dell wireless products. So easy operation. Switch off the device first. Press and hold any one button and switch it on. So within a second, it should search for the item and connect. From the application, you can see that the mouse is connected, but funny thing, there's no graphic. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Till the next one, this is Restore Refurb Works.